Hey guys, Josh here from Accelerate, and today I'm going to show you through this extra cab Dmax, which is essentially the ultimate e-bike charging station. So if you follow me through the back, we'll go through the canopy and everything we've done to this vehicle. Down the back here in this canopy, it's essentially been designed purely to house his two e-bikes through this big trundle slide in the back. To cater for that, we've gone 220 amp lithium system with a 2000 watt inverter to be able to charge his bikes on the road. So up here on the wall, which his Canopy manufacturer fabricated this whole mount for us, we've got the 220 amp Cangoee lithium battery. So this pretty much has a built-in 40 amp DC2DC charger, solar regulator, and pretty much full Bluetooth monitoring, and essentially allows him to charge his bikes in the middle of the bush. Catering with that, we've put in the Enerdrive 2000 watt inverter. So this is plenty of juice to charge two bikes at the same time, and essentially it'll also charge them while he's driving to ensure that when he pulls up to his bike track, he's got enough power in there to get to where he needs to go. Throughout the whole canopy, obviously we've got some dedicated GPOs in here so he can plug in other 240 volt appliances, including his bike chargers, and then we've got some pretty much standard USB socket, SIG socket and Anderson plugs for your general 12 volt applications while you're out and about. It's all fused here through a 6-way fuse box, and then we've also obviously got some larger fuses for the high current application through here. So this canopy came pretty much from the manufacturer with a heap of lights through it that we've terminated to make sure they all work off the auxiliary battery. So each door's got one of these little LED switches, LED lights with a simple switch on the end of them. Canopy itself is full central locking, actuated as well. So it pretty much means when you hit lock on your factory car key, the whole canopy will lock itself as well. So everything's nice, secure, safe, especially when you've got, quite expensive e-bikes sitting in the back here. Down here, in this undertool box, essentially we've got a full ARB twin compressor setup, so he can do all his tyres for his caravan, car, bikes, you know it. It can even blow up those inflatables up the beach if you want to float down the river. There's a water tank built in here, so we've wired the pump up for him as well, just to a simple switch. So this side of the canopy, essentially we have the same socket configuration as the other side, but we've just also got the inverter remote switch here, so it pretty much allows us to turn the inverter on without having to reach right into the canopy to access the unit itself. So at a flick of a switch, we've pretty much got 240 volt power throughout this canopy, no matter where we are. All right, so pretty much in the cab of the vehicle, we fitted a full Safety Dave camera system. Being that we've got a canopy on the back, it's quite hard to obviously retain your factory rear view mirror because you can't see anything. So the camera on the back of the canopy comes through to this screen and essentially acts as your rear view monitor for full-time viewing while you're driving. We've also gone through and fitted in with a heap of communication. So he's got the GME XRS 370 with the pass-through in the center console. So what that means is it's for a nice clean install. We can unplug the whole handpiece and have nothing cluttered on your dash, so it looks factory in here. There's nothing worse than having cables floating around everywhere when you don't need them in the cab of your car. We've also got our driving light switch down here, so we've put a nice light bar on the front for those late night drives to give him a bit extra light. So that's just through a factory fit switch down here. All right, so on the front of this vehicle, we've pretty much fitted a Night Armor dual row light bar with the smoked black lens to keep it nice and tidy in with the front look of this vehicle. As always, guys, thanks for watching this video about our pretty much ultimate e-bike charging system in this canopy. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to watch more canopy videos, you can click on the link up here. And YouTube also reckons the video down here is pretty good for you guys to check out as well. Thanks guys, and we'll see you on the next one.